In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish and share a Glide app. Start by opening Glide and selecting the app you want to publish. Ensure that your app is complete, including its name, logo, description, and all necessary content. Once everything is ready, click the Publish button located at the top right corner of your screen. You can customize the link for your app if needed. Keep in mind that following the November 2025 update, only users with a paid plan can publish their apps. Free plan users must upgrade to publish. Before publishing, you can adjust the app's privacy settings by clicking the Change option. You can make the app private, allowing only specific users to access it, or public, enabling anyone with the link to open it. You can also control whether users need to create a profile to access the app or can use it without a profile. After adjusting these settings, click Publish. You will then see a link to your app, which you can copy and share via email, WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other platform. You can also send email invitations directly from Glide. Finally, you can open the link yourself to test how the app works on desktop and mobile devices. Mobile users will have the option to install it on their phones like a regular app, and this is how you can publish and share a Glide app.